In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign up Getaround account. If you sign up for Getaround account, you'll be able to search for available cars, book a rental and earn the car with your phone. In order to do that, first of all, what you have to do is launch upon Getaround application. You'll be able to download this application from Play Store and App Store, so make sure it is installed on your device. Once it is installed, make sure to open it. You can see over here I've already opened it. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find the option for next. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on this option, see cars around me. Now you'll have to access the device's location. Tap on this option while using the app. Now over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option account that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the account interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, login, sign up. Tap on the option sign up. Now you'll be able to create the account for yourself. You can either continue with Google, or you can continue with Facebook, or you can also continue with email. So simply tap on the sign up method that is most suitable for you. Here I'm going to tap on the option continue with email. Now once you do that, you'll have to enter your email address. Simply enter the email address over here. After you do that, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll have to provide your information. First of all, enter your first name. Tap on the field of first name. Now enter the first name over here. Likewise, enter the last name. You'll also have to create a password for yourself. Your password must contain 8 characters, 1 lowercase letter, 1 uppercase letter and 1 number. Tap on the field of password and create a password accordingly. Now after you create the password, what you have to do is simply check on this box, I agree to Getaround's privacy policy. If you would like to receive the Getaround newsletter and special offers, also check on this box that you can see right over here on your screen. After you do that, tap on this option, agree and continue, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to verify your email. What you have to do is launch open Gmail on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, Getaround has sent me the email. Simply tap on the email. Now in this email, you'll be able to see the code. Memorize this code. Go back to the Getaround application. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. Now you can see over here, your account will easily be created. So like this, your account can be created in Getaround. Thanks for watching.